So the next exercise is side lifts. This exercise looks like nothing. It's actually really hard. I actually find it challenging. I do it every day and it still challenges me. You're going to sit up in a lying position. Your hips, knees and ankles lining up. And then you don't want to be, you want to have your hips stacked. So it's like there's a pole going through one hip bone through to the other. And then you're going to lift up from underneath like there's a little space in your waist. Hover the legs off. But before you do that, make sure that your ear is resting on your bicep and your shoulder and your fingertips are in line with each other. Hover the legs off. From here, we're going to exhale, lift the legs. You've lost that little space in your waist now. And then lower the legs. Exhale, lift the legs and lower. And lift and lower. Keep drawing the abdominals in. Try not to flare those ribs, and then if you feel your lower back, it just means that you're not engaging your abdominals, you're letting them go. If this is too challenging, take your legs forward on the mat a little bit and you can just perform the exercise here. And then we're going to go from one side to another. So you're going to swing around to the other side. Wrist, elbow, shoulder lining up. Hips are stacked. Hover the legs off, little space in your waist. And then exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. You're thinking about really reaching your toes away from you. Pilates is all about elongation. So exhale as you lift, the space in your waist is gone, and then inhale as you lower. One more. Good, as I said, it looks like nothing, but it's actually really challenging.